Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be marbling our mini canvas. This is one of the bonus projects for the Itchy Crafty Club this month. So we'll, add our paints to the water and we'll dip our canvas just as we've done the other projects. If you're looking for a slow step-by-step tutorial, then check out the video that we've linked here. Enjoy. After you have dipped your canvas, you're just going to let it dry and then you can display it on an easel, or you can use mounting tape to hang it to the wall.